we're recording. I have got wires out the ass. Alright. This is going to work, but it's going to be weird because it's only going to be able to record as long as I'm also trying to diagnose the issue while one of the centers is in my pocket, so hopefully this will work better when we got two people. Oh man. One thing about this FTR, it's got cruise, but what I found is that unlike the cruise on my Harley Ultra Limited, where you just cancel the cruise by just tapping the brakes or doing anything like that, with this one, it does better if you just roll the throttle forward. That's the best way to do it. Alright, so here we are. Home again. I'm going to shut this off. I'm going to go see what it looks like and maybe put a video together tonight. We'll see y'all later. Bye.